Music from the rec laws.
Seen in Brampton. If observed, call 1-1-888-com//.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
What the f***?
2-0 Québec recherché. Vu pour la dernière fois à Brampton-C aperçu. Composez le 9 1.
Well, thanks a lot. I got interrupted.
//ombralair.ça.
This was a message from the Canadian National Public Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.
There goes my tablet.
Your tablet is going for an Amber Alert.
I have the Band 5 app, so that's why.
Ontario Amber Alert in effect. The Peel Regional Police have requested an Amber Alert on October 21st, 2025. Victim 1 Skylar Rose Deschaper, 1 years old. Suspect 1 Anthony Deschaper, 38 years old, male, white. Suspect vehicle is a 2024 black Nissan Kick license plate FRV4520, Quebec. Last seen in Brampton. If observed, call 911 https://amberalert.up.com.